going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I'm back with more bands for the Apple Watch Series 10. If you didn't see my previous video, it was on the fake ocean band, and I liked it so much I decided to get it in multiple colors. So we got red, blue, another blue, and green. And all this came in around under 10 bucks. Because Amazon Haul gives you a certain discount. It took about 2 weeks to come, but I think it's worth it for all these bands. So we're gonna go ahead and try all of these bands on right now. I'm currently still rocking the orange one, still one of my favorites. Let's go ahead and try each and every one of these color combinations. So let's try red first. And these, you can't even tell really the difference between this and the original ocean bands from Apple, which retail for $100, which I think is robbery. And these have held up pretty well. Very easy to clean. And again, these retail for about under $3 on Amazon Haul. I'll leave a link below. So we got the red hair. Goes well with the black. If anybody knows Marcus Brownlee, that's his favorite color combination, red and black. Okay, let's go ahead and pop this one on. This one, it doesn't really tell you the color, but yeah, it's kind of bluish. And this one I would say like navy blue. So we're gonna go ahead and take this one off. This one's very nice as well. And if you're feeling kind of crazy, you can just, have multiple colors going on here. That off. And again, very nice. I love it. I'm gonna try on this blue over here. And like I said in my previous video, I'll probably never buy an official Apple band watch other than what comes in the case itself, because Apple bands are way overpriced. Even if you do got the money, I still think it's way overpriced. There we go. Another nice color combination. And final but not least, let's go and try the green. This to me is kind of like army green. And this one is another nice subtle color band. Not too aggressive. And there we go. Again, very nice. Not too aggressive in color or anything. And I would definitely wear this, out and about. There's many more color options in the Amazon Haul section. Again, I'll put the link down below. I think it's over maybe 15 to 20 different colors. So I might be getting some more. Again, $99 versus under $3. I'll go under $3 every single time. I've had no issues with these bands so far. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Leave a comment down below. Do you buy official Apple bands, or do you buy third-party Apple bands such as an Amazon and other websites out there? Leave a like, subscribe if you like, and peace out.